dear students, today we are starting our next chapter, that is lesson 4, diseases. Okay. In this situation, you all know why you are sitting at home and learning. You all know it, right? Because here some disease is spreading. To prevent that, to make us stay healthy, we are all advised to stay at home, right? So, what is the name of the disease? Adidev, unmute yourself and tell me what is the name of the disease which is spreading nowadays?
COVID-19.
COVID-19, coronavirus or COVID-19, right? So, mute your audio. Amel, mute it. So, in order to escape from this COVID-19, we are staying at home. You also, right? You are not going outside, right? Okay, you are not supposed to go outside. You have to stay at home and to be healthy, right? So,
Otherwise, we will be in school now.
okay. So, this chapter is all about the diseases. Understood? The chapter which we are going to learn is about the diseases. Do you want to learn it about diseases? Do you like to learn it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, mute your audio. I am going to share the screen to write the name and lesson number. So, in your rough book, you can write down that all things. Okay. Mute your audio. Everybody, mute your audio, please. See, what is the name? Amel, unmute it, Amel. What is the name of the chapter which I told?
Diseases.
Diseases. Okay.
Diseases.
So in your life, I think one or other time you might have happened these diseases, right? Okay, Viraj, mute your audio. Mute your audio fast. Good. Okay, I think Viraj is coming first time, right? Okay. Welcome, Viraj. Welcome to my class. Is it Viraj, right? Okay. So, the chapter name is lesson 4, that is diseases. Okay. Okay, let me call Ameya. Unmute your audio, Ameya. Ameya, unmute it fast. Unmute it, Ameya. Unmute. Okay, it's not able to do it. Let me call Ayil, Arun. Please unmute Ayil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you read the chapter number and name of the chapter from the board?
Lesson 4, disease.
Diseases. Okay, lesson 4, diseases. Here we can learn the new words of today's class. Okay, first one, it is diseases. So write down diseases. I will call Anvia Rose. Unmute it, Anvia. Anvia Rose, please unmute. Unmute. Okay. Read the spelling of diseases.
I-S-E-A-S-E-S.
Okay. Once again, read it.
D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S.
Okay, good. Leia, please read the spelling of diseases.
D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S.
Okay, diseases. Okay, that is diseases. So first new word, what is that one? Diseases. What is a disease? I will tell you. Okay, I hope everybody note down the spellings of diseases. Can I change that to another one? Can I change?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So next we want to know what is a disease. Maybe you know what is a disease. Okay, but What is the definition of disease? An unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Disease is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. If we are affected by some diseases, we won't be able to do our whole activities, right? If you are suffering from, I'll please mute your audio. See, if you are suffering from indigestion, in the previous chapter you learned digestion, indigestion. Did you learn indigestion? Okay, so if you feel indigestion, will you be able to play? Will you be able to play? No, you won't be able to play.
No.
You won't be able to do any of your normal activities. Am I right? Okay, in the
Now
same
I
way.
have a disease.
Okay, who is having a disease, Ameya? What is that disease, Ameya?
Ear pain.
Ear pain. Okay, let me see. See, Ameya, please mute your audio. Mute your audio. Okay. So, Ameya is now affected by ear pain. Some problem is there in the ear, right? So, she won't be able to learn properly. She won't be able to watch television. And not only that, she won't be able to play. If she want to play, then also due to this pain, some unhealthy thing happening to her body, right? Some pain is there in her ears. So that is due to that pain, she won't interested to play. Am I right? So that condition is called disease. That condition is called disease. Okay. So disease is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Got it? Disease is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Shall I write it on the board? Don't unmute, just check it. Okay. So, disease. We learned about disease. What is a disease? Okay. Unhealthy. It is an unhealthy thing. Sorry. Is an unhealthy thing. Unhealthy. Can you see the
Maybe you
board?
have to write.
No. Just read it. Okay. Unhealthy thing happening. Where it happens? Happening to our body and
Body.
mind. Body and mind.
Life.
Okay. This is what it is called disease. Got it? Disease means it is an unhealthy thing. Very important. Unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Got it? No need to write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a disease.
Do you have a disease? Eva Rose, what is your
Yes.
disease?
Stomach pain.
Oh, now stomach is paining. Okay,
No.
so
In all days I will get stomach pain.
okay, so always you are feel of this one. Okay.
Yes.
So just consult a doctor. Okay.
Yes,
So
I consult.
you consulted. So what
I am bringing medicine.
Okay, he gave you medicine. Using that medicine, is it relieved?
Yes.
Are you feeling okay? Very good.
Yes.
Very good. So through Eva's disease, we can explain that full chapter today. Okay. So during Eva, please unmute it, Eva.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you feel stomach pain, will you be able to play or to do any other activities?
No.
No. What you will do? You will go and lie down somewhere, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is called disease. Is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and our mind. Got it? Okay. So, Eva, what you will, when you feel the stomach pain, what you will tell your mother?
My mother tells,
Ah.
drink some water and lie down.
Okay, so you may complain about stomach pain, right? Eva will complain about to her mother about this stomach pain, right? So with the sign, that is a sign of the disease. Am I right? It is a sign of the disease in the digestive system. In the previous chapter, you learned what are the signs of indigestion. Are you remembering these all things? What are the signs of indigestion? Who can say? Raise your hand. Those
We
who
may
know the
vomit.
answer. Those who know the answer, please raise. Varada. Varada, unmute it. Varada.
Question can you tell again?
Varada. Okay, I will tell the question. I will repeat. See, what are the signs of indigestion?
We will feel stomach pain.
Okay, stomach pain. Okay, then
We will vomit.
vomit. Sometimes we may vomit. Okay. Next. Okay, sometimes fever also, right? So
Yes.
stomach pain, vomiting associated with fever. These are the signs of indigestion. Sometimes loose motion also, right? Loose motion also is a sign of indigestion. Am I right? You all feels this, right? Okay, so these are the signs of indigestion. And in the next chapter, excretion, excretory system, you learn what are the signs of non-functioning of kidneys. I showed some pictures also. Who knows it? Who know the signs of non-functioning of kidneys? Signs of non-functioning. Okay, Dia, please try. Dia, unmute yourself and please try. What are the signs of non-functioning of kidneys? Yes,
Kidney
Dia.
stone. Kidney stones, ma'am.
Kidney stone is a disease, it's a condition, right? How can we, yes, how can we understand that our kidneys are, somebody told. Leia, tell me, swellings all over our body, right? Swellings all over our body. The color and smell of urine may change, right? Color and smell of urine may change. Our swellings all over our body, especially on our feet, on our hand, on our face. So these are the signs. With these signs, we can understand that something is wrong in the excretory system. If we feel stomach pain, vomiting, loose motion, through these signs, we can understand that something is wrong in digestion. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah, these signs are called symptoms. What it is? These signs are called symptoms. So, second new word you learned today. Can I write it on the board? Can I write
Yes.
it on the, yes, okay. During when I share the screen, nobody is supposed to unmute your audio, okay? John Samuel, mute your audio. Okay, I will write it, okay. Say new words, so write down the new words in your rough book. Okay, first one we already learned. Second one, symptoms. Symptoms. Okay, Adinath, unmute your audio, Adinath. I think Adinath. Dia, Manoj, Dia, unmute your audio, Dia. Read the spelling of symptoms.
SYMPTOMS.
Okay, once again you read it.
SYMPTOMS.
Symptoms. Say the word.
Symptoms.
Symptoms. Okay. So
Symptoms.
what are symptoms? What are symptoms? See, all should write down the spelling. Mute your audio. Dia, please mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
All are expected to write down these new words, okay, in the rough book. And you have to write down, you have to study these spellings. Okay. I think everybody is writing down, right? Okay. Next, we want to know what are symptoms. Okay. The symptoms means signs. Symptoms mean signs of diseases. The external signs shown by our body during the illness. External signs shown by our body during an illness are called symptoms. I will write it on the board. Okay. So our
Ma'am?
word, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have also got one disease.
Okay, you also have one disease. I will come to you. Okay,
Dia.
after. Okay, Dia, what happened to you, Dia?
Fungus.
Fungus infection. Okay, okay. So you have to clean your skin properly. Okay, because in the excretory system we learned it.
Yes.
Excretion is also done through our skin. If we are not properly cleaning our skin, there may be chances of fungus infection. Okay. So mute your audio, Gauri Nanda. Why it is kept on mute? Symptoms
What is
are
fungus?
fungus means it is a fungus is a thing that affects our skin. Okay. Through that we will feel reddish color. Understood? We will feel itching and reddish color on our skin. Okay. The external signs.
Yes.
Symptoms are the external signs. Okay. Signs, you know, the external signs shown by our body. Shown by our body during an illness. During, no need to write down the definition. Okay. During an illness. So, yes, symptoms. Symptoms, in one word you can say these are the signs of diseases. Okay, if indigestion is there, the signs which our body shows are vomiting, loose motion, stomach pain. These are the signs.
Throat pain.
Okay, okay. So these signs we can call it as symptoms. Okay, these signs we can call it as symptoms. So what are symptoms? The external sign shown by our body during an illness. Okay, so if our kidneys are not functioning properly, our body will show some signs. Externally, it will show some signs. What are they? The color of, mute your audio. Galaxy 30. Viraj, please mute your audio. Okay, mute it. Mute it and switch on the video. Don't disturb our class. Mute your audio. Viraj. Viraj. Okay, see, I muted everybody. After that, I will release it. Okay. So, symptoms, the external signs shown by our body, the external signs shown by our body during an illness. It is called symptoms. Okay. Who is this Galaxy A301? Please switch on the video. I want to talk to you. Viraj, mute your audio. See, my class is getting distracted. Mute your audio. Learn how to mute. Okay. See, I am sharing now. I am sharing now video board. Anupama, unmute it. Anupama, Anupama, unmute it. Unmute it. Fast, fast. Unmute, unmute.
Ma'am.
Okay, Anupama. Read the heading and the definition of symptoms. Read it fast, Anupama.
Symptoms.
Okay.
The external signs.
External. Say.
External signs shown by our body during an
Illness. During an illness. Okay. Once again you read it. Once again you read it fast.
The external signs shown by our body during an illness.
Oh, what is that? External signs shown by our body during an illness. What is that? That is called symptoms. Okay, that is called symptoms. Understood? So let me ask you. Okay, Henry, unmute your audio, Henry. Unmute your audio. Okay. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? What are the symptoms of COVID-19?
Fever,
Okay, fever. Very good.
cough,
Cough. Very good.
no smell,
Throat pain. Okay, okay. It's enough. Okay.
no
So,
smell.
Okay, mute your audio. Okay. So, mute your audio. Very good, Henry. Mute it. Mute your audio. So,
Ma'am, one doubt.
yes, let me explain this. So, Henry told that.
Ma'am, Bindu is not in our class.
Sorry. 1 minute. Okay. So, Henry explained that the symptoms of COVID-19. Symptoms of COVID-19 are throat pain, fever, cough. Right? So, these are the external signs. Through that, doctors can identify the what disease it is, right? Through these external signs, through these symptoms. What are signs? Symptoms we call signs, right? Signs of diseases. Through this external sign, if we are going to a doctor for consulting, doctor will ask, surely doctor will ask, right? What you are feel, what you feel. So if somebody, they will tell throat pain, then fever and cough. They are suffering from these all signs. So from these signs, doctor can understand what is that disease, right? What is that disease? Accordingly, he will prescribe the medicine. Nowadays in the news and all, you can hear it, right? See, we want to do the test to find out whether we are suffering any COVID-19 or not, right? So these tests we have to do. Okay. So symptoms means external signs. Symptoms are external signs shown by our body during an illness. Okay. So let me ask you another one. Okay. Who it is? Adidev, unmute your audio, Adidev. Adidev. Okay. Can you tell me some symptoms of the indigestion? Some symptoms of indigestion in the
Stomach
previous
pain,
stomach pain. Okay.
vomiting,
Sorry, stomach pain.
vomiting,
Okay. Then, yes, tell me.
loose motion,
Loose motion. Okay, fever also, right? That person
also.
will sometimes
Fever
suffer
also.
from fever also. So these are the signs. Externally, our body will show these all signs. Through that, we can understand which disease we are suffering from. If we can't understand, if we are going to doctor, doctor can understand it. Okay. So today, which all new words we learned, I will share the screen. Okay. Everybody, please.
Symptoms and disease.
Okay. Let me share the screen. Mute your audio and listen. So what all, which all one we have discussed today, I will revise it. Okay. 1 minute, dear student. 1 minute. Okay. Today we have started our new chapter, that is the, say please mute your audio, everybody mute it. Okay, so diseases. Okay, there are new words, write down the new words and its spelling. Dear students, whose is not muted? Huh? Some are making so much disturbing sound. Everybody mute your audio, please. Who's this one? Viraj, please mute your audio. Don't disturb the class. Switch on the video and mute your audio. Viraj. Okay. So, mute it, Viraj. Please mute it. So, okay, good. Now, I am sharing the screen, okay? So, today we had started our new chapter, that is diseases. Here, new words, diseases and symptoms. Write down these words, okay? You have to study the spelling. Okay, what is a disease? What is a disease? Varada, unmute and please read. Varada, unmute and please read. What is a disease?
It is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind.
Okay, it is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Okay, next one, symptoms. We discussed about symptoms. Viraj, please mute your audio. Okay, Diya Manoj, please read it from the board. What are symptoms? First, what are symptoms?
The excretion signs shown by our body during an illness.
Okay, symptoms are external. What is that word? Please read it. External signs that shown by our body during an illness. Okay, so we learned today about two concepts, diseases and symptoms. Study the spellings of these two and read the textbook also. Okay, we will continue.
I have
with
one
this.
doubt.
Yes, who is having the doubt?
Prajwal,
Okay, what it is, Prajwal?
all infections are a sign of diseases.
Yeah, all infections. If itching or reddish color on our skin, that is also a symptom. Okay, that is also a symptom. Good. Okay, so now it is the time to wind up my session. Next class we can meet together. Okay, so Viraj, are you there, Viraj? Viraj? Okay, Viraj, when you are joining the class, please mute your audio and join it. Okay, I think you joined today only, right? Okay, so learn how to mute and unmute. All others, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.